Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make checkboxes in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to make checkboxes here, you need to go into this developer tab here, and then you need to tap on insert here, and then here you can see that we have this checkbox option here. So first you have to select this checkbox here, and then you can see that we have this plus icon here. And now basically you have to just tap on the place where you basically want the checkbox. So let's suppose if I want the checkbox to appear here, I will just click here and the checkbox will appear here, and I will just drag it to basically adjust its position here, and I will add another checkbox here just below it, and I will also adjust its position here like this one. And if you want, you can basically change this text also. Right click here and edit text, and you can basically change the text also. So let's suppose for this I will add no, and for this basically I will add yes here. Okay, so yes or no, and maybe, and then you can just check or uncheck these. Okay, so that's how to basically add checkboxes in Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.